Petey! Wake up, Petey, wake up! You're on the news! You gotta see it for yourself! So last night, kindergarten was now very outvoted. Yeah. Thanks to Super Buddies, but the biggest surprise of the night was the heroic bravery of Petey the cat. Check him out as he saved the kids from the raging fire. I'm so proud of you, Petey. You're a hero. Cut it out, Big Jim. Heroes don't snuggle. Sorry. And related news, 7 dogs Phil Gibbons also saved the guy. The governor was so impressed she pardoned them. Now all 7 dogs are free. Isn't that nice? Gee, that is nice. What's so nice about it? These dogs are set free but still locked up. Where's my pardon? Yeah, Petey's right. Why do dogs get special treatment? I am hangry. I say we united, and together we shall raise up and overthrow this dog-centered soakisui. We're with you, Petey. Vive la revolution. French for fight the power, baby. Stop, thief. No way. Sorry, guys. I got the wrong person. It was supposed to be Dodge, so I'm gonna have to start over again. Okay, let's start over again. Stop, thief. No way. Wait up. It's no use, Dogman. You have to catch a bad guy on your own. Ruff, 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 ruff. Grrr. Uh-oh. Grrr. Okay. Grrr. I give up. But before you take me to jail, I got something for you. Oh! Looks what's here inside my shirt. What's this? What's this? What is it? It's a ball. It's a bally wally. Is it a? Who wants a ball? Does Doggy want a bally wally? Who wants those Doggy wants ball? Get the ball? Get it? What it does a ball? What's a bally wally? Ball was ball wall. What's a good doll? Was a bally wall. Are you ready? Let's roll! Get the bally wally. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Now everyone know what an awesome cop he is. Now they'll know. Now they'll. Oof. What is wrong with you? This is the 3rd time this week. A bad guy rolled a ball. You chase it and he gets away. Go home, dog man.